Hey, what's up YouTube? How you doing? Me, I'm not doing too bad. I'm pretty good. It could be worse. I'm just happy with what God has given me. But today we will be checking out this mini keyboard. I got off Amazon. It was the cheapest one I could find. I just wanted something I can use here and there. The reviews, 4.5 stars. Some reviews said this is the greatest thing to ever grace our fingertips, and some say this is trash. Only paid $10 for it, so let's find out, is it any good? I can see now my desktop setup looks a lot better because I'm now using my G7 for overhead and using my 4K box webcam as a webcam. I remember because of my G7 I could put a polarizer on it so it won't have so much glare. I can't do that with other camera. That way it has so much glare and look kind of cloudy when it's not, shouldn't be. But anyway, I digress. Let's get further into this mini keyboard. Looking at the box, it pretty much tell you what the keyboard is compatible with. PCs, netbooks, notebooks, tablets, game consoles like 360 and the PS3, and smartphones, smart TVs, and Android TV boxes. What you get in the box is a USB-C to USB-A cable, introduction, product overview. I was looking through this and I was a little confused about, it doesn't say anything about how to pair. So I'm like, oh, okay, how does this work? But anyway, I'll talk a little bit more about that in a bit. Another thing with looking at this keyboard, it looks cheap. It feels cheap, but my expectations is already low because it only cost $9.19. So you can't expect much. Turning it over, and you open the door right here, and you will see it has one of those old school phone batteries. Issue with this is supposed to be configuration A. And if you remove the battery and it has an indication, you could put two AAA batteries as configuration B. But the problem with that, there's no contacts at all. So I don't know how that's going to work. And here it has the dongle. You cannot connect to anything without the dongle. I thought I was going crazy, but on the ad summary, it says Bluetooth and 2.4 gigahertz. It doesn't have Bluetooth, not at all. Because I thought it was something like this mouse I have here. This mouse, you can see it also has a dongle, and it has a pairing button. If the device has Bluetooth, you can pair it to it that way. If it doesn't have Bluetooth, you can use the dongle. Again, this doesn't do that. And another thing, once you turn it on and the dongle is plugged into the PC, it will automatically connect to that dongle. And as you see here, by pressing the function button and F2, you can turn the light off, turn it on. It has red, green, and blue. And if you want to connect to something like your iPad or phone, you will need an adapter. This is what I have. You can plug the adapter in here and plug the USB-C directly into your phone or tablet and it will work. I've tried that and it works well. And I tried it with my laptop. It works perfectly with that. Buttons on here works correctly. Works like it's volume up and down, music controls, email, mute, mouse, touchpad, mouse buttons for left and right click. Another right click here, another left click here. Internet Explorer, it will open Internet Explorer. If you press the home button, for some reason, it opened Chrome. I don't know why. But other than that, it works. So you can't expect much for a $9 keyboard. But stay tuned. I will be doing other things. We'll be updating my Batacera, adding games to it, trying to add Wii games, Wii U games, and Switch games to it. So stay tuned and like and subscribe if you want to see that. Other than that, is it worth getting it? If you've got basic needs for a mini keyboard, you can't go wrong with this. Like I said, $9.19. Just make sure your expectations are low. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the information in this video useful. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and share this video with anyone who could benefit. But if I missed something, dislike this video and leave a comment. Let me know what I did wrong. I welcome constructive criticism. Also, you can follow me on the social medias at tekminute.